DIY truck wash tips. Here are some tips to help you keep your truck clean and shiny without breaking the bank. Be bold and get hands-on. Washing your truck yourself doesn't have to be a hassle. You can use a garden hose, bucket, sponge, and some good old-fashioned elbow grease to get the job done. Invest in a good quality car wash soap. Quality products will help you finish the job faster and with less effort. Use a chamois cloth or microfiber towels to help dry your truck off after washing it. It will help prevent water spots from appearing on the surface later. If you have the money to invest, consider setting up a truck wash at home. Having your station will make it much easier and more convenient for you to clean your vehicle whenever needed. Remember to wax. Waxing regularly helps to protect your truck's exterior from dirt, dust, and other contaminants that could compromise its finish. Remember the detailed work. Make sure to clean hard-to-reach areas like grills and wheel wells, as these can get very dirty over time. Finally, remember that prevention is better than cure. Regularly cleaning your truck will save you much effort by keeping it looking great for longer. To learn about flatbed trucks, check out our previous video.